Ayurveda, the ancient Indian system of medicine, focuses on living in harmony with nature. It teaches us how to maintain balance in our body, mind, and spirit for a healthier, happier life. Unlike quick fixes, Ayurveda emphasizes prevention and long-term well-being. Let's explore some easy ways to incorporate Ayurveda into your daily life to feel more energized and vibrant. 1. Discover your dasha. In Ayurveda, your dasha is your body type or energy. There are 3 dashas, Vata, Pitta, and Kapha. Each person has a unique combination of these dashas. Vata governs movement and creativity. Pitta controls metabolism and energy. Kapha is about stability and structure. Understanding your dasha helps you tailor your diet, lifestyle, and habits to what suits you best. You can easily find dasha quizzes online to get started. 2. Start your day with warm water. Begin your day by drinking a glass of warm water with a squeeze of lemon. This simple habit helps cleanse your digestive system, boost metabolism, and prepare your body for the day ahead. 3. Eat according to your dasha. Ayurveda emphasizes eating the right foods for your body type. Here are some general tips. Vata types should eat warm, nourishing foods like soups and stews. Pitta types benefit from cooling foods like fresh fruits and salads. Kapha types thrive on light, spicy foods and should avoid heavy, oily meals. Eating fresh, seasonal, and minimally processed foods is a must for everyone. 4. Follow the Ayurvedic clock. Ayurveda believes in aligning your activities with natural rhythms. Morning, 6 to 10 a.m. a great time for gentle exercise like yoga. Midday, 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. your digestion is strongest, so have your largest meal here. Evening, 6 to 10 p.m. unwind with calming activities and eat a light dinner. This rhythm promotes balance and better health. 5. Practice Abhyanga, self-massage. A daily oil massage, known as Abhyanga, nourishes your skin, improves blood circulation, and calms your mind. Use warm sesame or coconut oil and gently massage your body before bathing. 6. Breathe and meditate. Incorporate pranayama, breathing exercises, and meditation into your routine. Even 10 minutes a day can reduce stress, improve focus, and increase your overall sense of well-being. 7. Prioritize quality sleep. Ayurveda considers sleep essential for health. Create a calming bedtime routine by avoiding screens, drinking herbal tea, and keeping a consistent sleep schedule. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of restful sleep. By embracing Ayurveda's simple practices, you can take small but powerful steps toward better health and a more balanced life. The key is consistency. Start with 1 or 2 habits and gradually build your Ayurvedic routine. Your journey to a healthier, happier you begins today.